A very good morning, Team Zimbabwe. So, Daily News reports that an Epworth man, Benjamin Mpongwe, 30, who allegedly stoned President Emerson Mnangagwa's motorcade while it was passing along Julius Nyerere Way in Harare Central Business District, has been ordered to undergo a mental health examination. So, this is the latest development, which was reported on the 13th of July 2023. What had happened is that Benjamin Mpongwe was in Harare and was controlling traffic while President Mnangagwa was passing through. He's a police officer, and he allegedly threw stones onto the motorcade. That is the report. That is what happened, and he was subsequently arrested and appeared in court. So the court ordered that he goes for a mental health examination. But the problem is that a lot of people, they are having mental disorders because of the problems they are facing, because of the economic meltdown. Do you know that it's difficult? You are a father. You are required to report for duty at work. Your family needs something. Maybe probably your wife is sick, or your child is sick, or your mother is sick. You have been working for so long, and you have nothing to show. You end up having mental disorders. You end up having mental challenges. That is the reason why some people will end up leaving their jobs to do other things. But if you are in police, it's difficult for you to just put your papers and say, I'm leaving. So you see that the people within the police service or the army or the CIO, they will be affected more by mental challenges than an ordinary person who is working also, because you can find an alternative job and leave. So if you are a nurse as well, right now nurses are facing difficulties in terms of moving out of Zimbabwe. Their papers are not being approved. All those people, they have mental challenges right now because of the economic meltdown, and they have nowhere to report. They have nowhere to say anything. So hapana kwavanozvitaurira, vakangozvitaura zvotonzi mapanduka, and you will be court-martialed or you face a stiff punishment from the authorities. Saka, these are the challenges, Team Zimbabwe. We'll continue to see what is going to happen next. This is a sad story of a 30-year-old who stoned President Emerson Mnangagwa's motorcade, who allegedly stoned President Emerson Mnangagwa's motorcade while it was passing along Julius Nyerere Road in Harare. So we'll continue to see what is going to happen to this young man. We believe that justice will be served on this young man. I don't believe that he deliberately did it, if indeed it is true, if it is not persecution. So it is what it is, but let us continue to vote for Advocate Nelson Chamisa. Vote for a better economy, vote for better salaries, vote for better working conditions, vote for better health care, education care, industrial development, general development of the economy in the country. So Team Zimbabwe, we are saying ngatiende tinovotera Advocate Nelson Chamisa, ma-MP avo, makansela avo. To those who can't come to vote, please ngandei tinodonata. If you just visit citizenagents.org, you'll be able to adopt a polling station from there, and you'll be able to donate. If you're in Zimbabwe, get in touch with your councillor, wekumsha kwako, umpeo something, aitoma campaigns. We are still looking for campaigns for donations during these campaigns, because we need airtime, we need food, we need a lot of things for us to have viable campaigns. Kana kuna vanotogona even kungoprinda woma poster chechezvo. It's good for you to just say, I'm donating 1,000 flyers. Wotomaisa pabhazi wotouya. It will be great service kana mukadaro. So Team Zimbabwe, ngatingobatanai tingoita kuti nyika yedu inge ichisununguka this 2023. Ngatiende tinovhotera Advocate Nelson Chamisa.